Welcome to Bursa!
Anybody else want to try milk? Oh my goodness, come on, try.
Hidden mode. So this is the tree. Welcome to Turkey Bursa! Hello cravers! Welcome back again to my channel. It's me again, your Nurse Craves. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga videos. Hit like, subscribe, and get notified. Thank you so much, cravers! So, ayun guys, waiting na kami sa tour guide namin. In 2 minutes daw, darating na siya. So, we're here in front of the lobby. Medyo maulan, ambon, basta ang labas. Ito yung area in the morning. Hello guys, today is December 24. Punta kami ng Bursa. And still on the tour. Kakasundo lang din sa amin and still waiting for sa ibang tourmates and still waiting sa aming mga kasama sa tour. Nagtanong ko sa guide, sabi nila nag-i-snow naman na daw doon. So hopefully lahat ng pupunta natin is okay and sana hindi ganun nag-uulan.
So everyone is understand my names, yeah?
Yes,
Doğan.
Yes.
The also G-A-N. The driver names them Mr. Abidin. We are walking all the day together, near the 12 or 14 hours for the Bursa tour today.
Currently 10:30 and magba-bladder break lang kami dito sa isang gas station. So nagka kami ng 15 minutes bladder break and kung may bibilhin. And I think binibigyan tayo ng magandang climate. Just cloudy. As you can see outside. Big dog playing with the tourists. Madami mga stray dogs dito, pero meron silang mga I think it's not stray dog kasi meron siyang tag, ayun, tag ata yun or ano. So may airplane then and the dog is hi doggy. Busy siya. So ayan. So waiting for our time. They said 10:45 balik na. So ayun guys, waiting lang kami. Update ko kayo ulit later. Dito sa papuntang Bursa, medyo walang ulan, perfect. Binigyan tayo ng magandang weather. It's kind of cloudy. Walang ulan. Pero parang concert naman na ni Kuya yung ano dito. Yung totoo, concert tour pala yung pinunta namin.
Thank you everyone. Thanks so much.
Concert. Tara. Si Kuya concert na naman. So ayun guys. So maganda yung ating experience today. Walang ulan.
Now we can see the all the around in your right side and the left side. We can see the all the trees, the olive trees. For olive trees is very important.
Yes, please. My teach in 2 minutes. I'll give some small information. After that, you can try our Turkish delight. Okay, first one, you want to come in our factory. Our factory upstairs, all of the aspirants obviously of you made daily. We call it Turkish delight, and we made about 65 different flavors of them. We divided them to 2 sections. First section starts from watermelon to strawberry. That section is called normal section because there are no nuts inside it, just the fruits and the chocolate flavors. 1 kilogram it will be 590 liters. The second section, which starts from Snickers to the end. All of this section is called royal section because there are extra nuts inside it, like pistachio, almond, hazelnut, peanut, and walnut. 1 kilogram it will be 799. So we have two prices, $5.90 and $7.99. Because you are in the factory, you have two sizes of boxes. The big size here, you can choose 6 or 7 flavors of Turkish Delight. This weight about 1 kilo and 200 grams. And also, we have a small box. This one only for gift actually. This weight about 750 grams. Here you can choose 5 flavors of Turkish Delight after you try the flavor. After you choose the flavor, we take the boxes into a vacuum machine over there. Or we sell them at the vacuum machine. You can save it fresh for 1 month from today. Okay? And last thing we have offer from our factory. If you take 5 big boxes, you will get 1 free. Or 10 small boxes, 2 free. Thank you for listening. Now you can try our Turkish Delight. Just please to here, be closer to inside. Yes. Oh, we can try our
Yeah, we'll help you. Carry your face.
Everyone, try the Turkish Delight.
This side, we have another booth. We crowded a little bit here. More space, please.
So yun guys, currently nasa Turkish Delight Factory kami. And I will show you kung ano yung mabibili ko. Mga Turkish product. Mga soap din dito guys. Bubble or something. Mga keratin, herbal, hair oil, lava. Sarap kaya to? Sabi na kayo kanina. May masarap na nakita. Masarap kanina. May matcha din sila dito. Detox, coffee, matcha, antioxidant burner daw. Meron din sila mga herbs dito. Mga candies, chocolates. What's that? Sarap din yan. Pistachio chocolate. Cotton candy. Peace money, cotton candy. May pistachio din sila. Dami ng mga tao. Dami kasi mga tourist. Meron din sila ditong mga delicacies. Ito guys, masarap to. Mga baklava. Pero iba-ibang version. So doon tayo sa free tasting. Kasi hindi ako nakapag Yeah, I like this one.
حطيت red coconut انت؟
حطيت اثنين حط اثنين كمان
coconut chocolate chocolate
Yung siya galing matamis. Chocolate one masarap. Ano bibili din naman? What's the name of this? Snickers. So we'll try the Snickers guys. Mga Turkish coffees sila dito. Lufa, sa mga naghahanap ng lufa, meron din sila. On this one, mostly hindi na sila nakakabili dito. Walang free taste dito eh. I think the Mustafa products yung medyo mas mabili siguro. So balik tayo doon.
sarap ng baklava.
Ayun yung natikman. Oh, sorry. So, baklava. Taste test. Puro taste test na tayo guys. Bumibili naman. Pero masarap. Kaya kung nag-tour kayo dito, Tikman nyo, masarap. Lotus. Baklava, masarap. Chocolate. Snickers, masarap. Lotus, masarap din. So kung bumili kayo guys, meron sila ditong kangsi para hindi ano. And it takes 4 months bago masira daw yung food nila. Yung benta nila nga sweet. So guys, meron din sila ditong mga different accessories, yung mga pabango, mga souvenirs, yung mga ano din nila, mga ceramic. Bak.
Come, sir. Come here. Come. Try the string set. Don't try salad. Sir.
Thank you.
Salad. Slip from orchid flower. Best drink of Bursa.
Made from orchids flower daw. Pero kailangan yung cinnamon cheese. Sarap. Magkano kaya? Nice guys. Try nyo. This is the brand. Uludag salam powder. Masarap. Masarap. Medyo mainit. Pero masarap siya guys. Try nyo. Pag pumunta kayo, try nyo. Ito meron yung mga souvenir shops. Bursa. Magbayad lang kami guys. And tuloy natin mamaya. Where? Outfit check. So yung tourist namin, gusto nyo pa-try yung chestnut honey. So hindi namin na-try. Yeah, we don't know where is it. So gusto nyo pa-try yung chestnut honey kasi one of the best daw nila ng honey dito. And it will change your mindset to my honey. So ito na siya. Let's see kung ma-change yung mind namin bumili. This is the chestnut honey guys.
Yes. Will you take honey?
Yeah, I will try to taste it.
to try
What happened when you already tried it?
This one, the chestnut,
Yeah.
the most famous here in Bursa, most popular
What
honey.
happened when you
Eat
I
it.
give you. This one, every day. Can eat this one, no problem.
what is the benefit of it?
So for antioxidant, control the sugar in the blood, for corner, for darkness, blood pressure.
But I think my flavors chestnut nga.
Small one, 1,460. Big one, 2,760. Chocolate price. This like this quality honey without using organic honey. Chestnut. If you go to the mountain, you should have 3,500.
So masarap siya.
Here all right.
Nice. Outfit check.
Come and show me.
So yung tourist namin, gusto niya ipa-try yung chestnut honey. So hindi namin na-try. Yeah, we don't know where is it. So gusto niya ipa-try yung chestnut honey kasi one of the best daw nila ng honey dito. And it will change your mindset. For those na na-try namin, masarap siya guys. It's really a 4 out of 5 for me. So napabili kami. And I hope pag na-try nyo din yung tour na to, papunta kayo dito, try nyo lahat guys. From the Chestnut Honey, from the sweets, and from the yung parang coffee na orchids. Masarap siya. So, try nyo guys pag pumunta kayo dito. So, pasok lang kami sa car, sa mismong bus para makapunta na kami sa next destination.
And then so, welcome everyone. I hope everyone is enjoying. And then so, now we are will be our destination. We climb to mountain down. You can see the opposite. A little bit have a foggy. The weather all the time is changing. Sometimes it will be raining and sometimes it will be windy. So much. And then so, this the Uluda mountain is very important in from the Bursa city because in Anatolia side, it's coming the highest one. It's coming the highest one, the longest one, 2,523 meters. Now when we are will be our destination for Incaya place historical tree. Is the Incaya historical tree? It was in Ottoman Empire time. Is coming. Is the this is symboling the Bursa city now because the names of the tree is coming for the village. We call it Incaya. It's the largest 56 to 37 meters. But it's very important. You know, if you remember in the morning we're talking about it. This is normally is rated 610. But is the more 620 between 613 years the age, largest 56 feet 37 meters. When we climb there, directly the bus is dropped in the location, and then we need to do the exercise. We walk upstairs. For we visit in here, we take a pictures, the video, the same the road, we return back again the bus, and then so. When you remember in the morning, we say for the Porsche, for Changeover, for holiday, and something's the gift. And then so now we choose it. Who is the way? Please everyone take off your ticket. When the half with you, half with cash you give it. And then we choose it. Who is the win? We give you the gift. Okay?
For what?
And then so, we are ready now? The first ticket. We choose it for Bursa Uluda. The first one for the magnets. And then now, I said your number. 1, 1, 0, 1, 4. Choose one. This. Who is the winner? We look at the other one. 1, 1, 0, 1, 7. And this we will. The next one. 1, 2, 0, 1, 1. Choose another one.
Got one.
1, 1, 0, 0, 2. 0. Okay, we get the hard base.
Okay, guys, for who speak English, I will give you now information about our gems. You can join us. Okay, here we have 40 kind of gems. Our gems without chemicals. Everything here natural, guys. Handmade and homemade. Here we have different gems, like we have ginger jam. It's good for a flu. You can mix it with milk tea, even with hataman. You like ginger? I will give you some. Just 1 minute. Organic peanut butter. We have fig jam with walnut. Milk jam. It tastes like caramel. We have kiwi, pomegranate, apple. Also, we have coffee, cardamom, mushroom, and walnut jam. Walnut is good for memory and cholesterol. Guys, let's try ginger jam. Who want to try ginger for flu? Guys, if you want to try health, anybody want to try ginger? Ginger? Nobody else want to try?
I will try.
Who wants also ginger? Okay, let's try milk jam. Who want to try milk? Milk? It tastes like caramel, guys. Who want to try milk? Anybody else want to try milk? Nobody else?
Ginger is nice.
Okay, pomegranate. Who want to try? This one? Pomegranate. Who want to try pomegranate, guys? Yeah, I will give you. Anybody else want to try pomegranate?
Me. I will try all.
Pomegranate, sir? Yeah, I will give you.
Pomegranate.
Okay, guys, who want to try peanut butter? Organic peanut butter? Peanut butter? Okay, also we have an interesting one, guys. We have chili jam. Chili, spicy and sweet. Who want to try chili?
Very nice, guys. The jams are nice. Very good.
Chili? Chili?
May singaw ako.
Anybody else want to try chili here as well? Guys, if you like anything about the gems, if you want to take anything, we have a traveling package to protect the glasses. And the expiry date for all the gems is 4 years once you open the bottle. Which gem you like? Which gem you want to take? You can tell me. This is right for gem. Okay, you like something, guys? You want to take anything? Can I taste mushroom, please? Guys, want to take anything? Want to ask about anything? Guys, please, who speak English from the new group with me? Here. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you come to the side? Can you come here, guys? Because we want to get in the new group. If you want something, tell me. Guys, stay with me here and hi. Guys, everybody who speak English, here, please, with me. 140 for chili.
Yung mga jam nila guys, masarap. Hindi ko lang tinikman chili kasi meron akong singaw. Yun yung hirap ko ngayon sa pagkain. Napakasakit. So, tour ko around yung mga benta nila dito guys. So, ito yung mga ano nila, olives nila. Yung mga herbs. Meron din silang mga kavala cookies with almond. Okay, hi, ayan. Same as the first destination. Meron din sila sabon, cow milk, acne treatment, soap down, soap, honey, rice soap, aloe vera soap, turmeric soap. Ang turmeric pampaputi. Jasmine soap. Ano din sila iba-ibang klase ng soap. Hair serum na dito. Or beard care serum. Sabon roll on. Lipstick. Eyebrows. Mga sabon nila guys. Pero the jam is good talaga. Masarap. Yung ginger masarap. Meron sila mga cream, body care cream. More herbal. And this is the Ottoman coffee. We'll try it. Medyo mainit guys. Let's try it. Hello. Hindi ko kasi Turkish coffee, matapang talaga yun. Pero ito, meron siyang milk as per our guide. Yan yung sinabi na kanya. So, para siyang Turkish coffee na merong milk. Pero mas may lasa siya. Or mas pasok sa panlasa ko talaga. This place is for product tasting. Maybe we can taste that one also. More on tayo. Food taste.
Okay, pomegranate.
We will try the Ottoman coffee. What is this? For that food tasting, mas gusto ko yung ginger. So we have three buses na dito. May CR dito. So, as part of the trip, mukhang or on product tasting ng Bursa yung pinapunta. Or later on, we will go to the
one more destination. Then we're going to
one more pa the destination. Napagtanong na nung isa dito. And we're going to alam ko magla-lunch muna kasi
after lunch. One more destination, lunch, then
time check 2:01 PM. So, we're waiting for the next destination, guys. Yung mga pinupunta naman natin na mga tindahan, hindi ka naman obliged bumili. So, you can do food tasting, but you're not obliged na bumili. Yun nga lang, medyo ang tawag dito, medyo it takes time para pumunta dun sa mga pinaka main destination. Pero I think they are just sharing what are the products na meron sila dito sa ating trip and here in Bursa. Hiking na naman. Medyo madulas. Kaya after pag nasa taas na kami, crap. Kami and nakapagod yun. Hike na naman. Diyos ko po.
We are moving around the tree, please. And then we want to get married in the future, turn around the tree 3 times, okay? Don't forget.
So yung mga gusto daw ma-marry, ikasal, kailangan umikot sa tree. So this is the tree. Hingal mode. Yes, come on. So this is the tree. Goodness. Ginamit ko muna yung cellphone kasi medyo maulan yung camera, mahirap na. Excuse me. Shames.
Yes, my group, we have to leave this. My group. Yes.
So pagpunta kayo dito, ingat lang pag maulan, mabasa yung floor. Medyo madulas. So ayun guys, medyo malamig na and mamoist yung daan. Baba lang kami going sa shuttle. Madulas yung matarik. So kakapit lang ako, mamaya na lang. Hello. May dala silang baby, ano yan? Parang bagong anak lang. Yan na si Kuya. So guys, we're here na. Uy, malamig-lamig na. May pausok na sa lunch, for the lunch break. Ito yung kanilang foods. So, ang tour. Ganda ng labas. Wala na sa western side of the world. So ayun guys, medyo malamig na sa labas. And dito kami maglalunch. And this is part of our package. So meron sila dito mga salad-salad. Anyway, wait lang namin food and we will eat. And baka eat pack din kami pag doble siguro kasi snowing na daw. Nangina ako sa lamig guys. So yun guys, ito na yung food namin. Yun. So, kakain mo kami. Natikman ko na siya. So, the whole plate, 4 out of 5. So, kakain lang kami guys. Yun guys, masarap yung patty nila. Kaso parang kulang yung rice. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung dami ng tao dito. Nandiyan outside, oh. Ganda. Winter na yung place. Hello, Cravers. Nandito na kami sa Mount Uludag. And it's giving nag-i-snow na outside the bus. Yung white na nakikita nyo, snow na yun. And then, akala ko kanina umuulan. Pag tumatama yung flakes sa may windshield, tutunaw siya. And ayun nga guys, sasama ko kayo sa aking journey here in Mount Uludag. And magki-cable car tayo mamaya. We'll see if mag-chairlift tayo. Bursa is waving. Snow na outside. And pinag-ready na kami. And later on, we need to come back at 4:20 p.m. So, malamig na outside. It's a white Christmas, guys. Let's check this place and samahan nyo ako. So, ayan guys. Sa snow na kami. Nag-snow. Nice one. So, ito guys. Nice one. So ayun, sasakay na kami. Madalitan tayo.
You take a picture of the video. It's still in half an hour you stay on the top. After half an hour you return back. Must 4 and 20 we need to be in the bus in the same locale in the parking area. For each one person the two-way is a 500 lira. Please, as you like it, you can pay the cash or card. Yes, two-way. 2 person, 1,000.
So 500 each yung kanilang ano dito. Yung daan, yung pumunta sa taas. So okay na din. Let's enjoy the snow. Yung naman first time natin guys. Ang included lang kasi yung cable car later. Nice! Nice! Thank you. So ayan guys, sasakay na kami ng lift. It's 500 lira each. So optional naman guys sa ating tour. So as part of our experience here in Bursa, mag-ride tayo dito. Dito siya guys. Annyeonghaseyo, Chares. So ayun guys, we are here. This is White Christmas. Nice snow. Ito yung ating hindi siya ulan. Kala ko kanina ulan. So guys, this is the place, Mount Uludag. Anong lasa ng snow? Okay. Guys, so exciting. Ang saya. May kapihan daw sa taas. So ayan guys, first Christmas. Ito nag-snow. First snow ko din to guys. So guys, kung may plan kayong magpunta dito sa super nag-snow. So may plan kayong pumunta dito guys, comment down below para matulungan ko kayo how do you deal with the tours. And madali lang din naman, mag-book lang kayo sa Klook. And then kung ano yung mga pwede nating mapag-usapan, I can help you guys. And yeah, this is amazing. Tingnan nyo guys. Amazing. It's a white Christmas na talaga. I don't know how many minutes this will take us. They said 8 minutes. So, yan ang ating surroundings. Ang talagang malamig guys. Picture mo namin for thumbnail. Yay! Oh, kuya, push mo yan. Someone is skiing. Almost there, almost there.
Left side, left side, left side.
Left side.
Left side.
Okay. Grabe si galit siya. Galit ka kuya ha? Sabihin mo lang galit ka. So, pasok tayo sa ano. So, we're here in the coffee area. Okay, so, puro snow. Mag-chill muna kami dito sa may bonfire. Kasi puro basa. Mag-ayos muna ako guys, bago tayo mag-coffee here sa side. And the bonfire. Yung bata na dulas. So meron tayo ditong restaurant inside. So pakita ko sa yung surrounding area din, bababa na rin kami. Kasi may time tayo. So here is the side. Oh, may nadulas. Kaya pag pumunta dito, ingat-ingat guys. Kasi madulas yung kanyang ano. So very white. Very white. So hindi natin makita. Touch natin yung snow. So, ayan guys. Sana yung snow? Touch natin. Medyo ano siya, medyo matigas. Maninipis yung snow niya dito. Maninipis. Kaya siya mabilis mag-ano. So yan na guys, nandito tayo sa ating Bursa trip. Winter. May bida-bida doon. So yan guys, going down na. Nilalaban natin to. So yan ang surrounding. Medyo hindi natin makita kasi pure white man sila. Sas makikita nyo yung mga ice, yung mga nyebe here. So i-video ko na lang to going down. So guys, kung pupunta kayo dito, malamig. Today is December 24. It's a white Christmas for us. And ito, sinusong namin ang niebe, ang snow here in Bursa, Turkey. Ang ganda. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo yung surrounding area, meron tayong mga trees here na puno na ng snow. See, tingnan nyo guys. So mahirap guys, ano lang yung gawin natin picture. Thumbnail. So ayun guys, you can do it also. Kaya nyo pumunta dito guys. Yun lang, meron tayong mga Filipinos, meron tayong visa dito sa Turkey. We need Turkish visa para makapunta dito. So kayo nyo naman yun. So ang kailangan lang natin is yung panggastos. So welcome to Bursa. So ayun na guys, makikita nyo yung skating area. Merry Christmas! It's a white Christmas for us. Yung bike natin ay puno na ng niebe. So guys, makita nyo dito, ito kasi yung pinuntan natin pababa ay yun yung skiing area nila pababa. Pero may skating area sila doon. I hope makita ng video. So malapit na kaming bumaba. Merry Christmas guys! Welcome to Turkey, Bursa! Ano na nangyayari? So galit na ang ating pababa na kami. May mga nagpipicture kasi na taas-taas. So we're done here. Run! Run! So this is the area, guys. So we're done here. We're done here na. Basa na yung aking. Basa na niya. Wala na, freeze na din yung aking phone. So we're done here. Oops, medyo madulas ang ating dadaanan. Sige, maswerte daw tayo kasi ngayon may snow talaga. Kasi yung ibang araw daw walang snow, ngayon may snow. So medyo swerte lang tayo dito guys. So ayan yung itsura natin. Puro yellow na tayo dito. See? Basa na rin tong light na. Ayun, mabilisan lang. I think mas okay na din naman yung mabilisan na punta natin. At least. So the tour is very good. So ngayon magtatanggal muna yung mga gamit kasi basa. And yun muna guys. Papagalitan tayo natin guide. See you later. So we're done here in the Mount Uludag guys. And pumunta kami sa may cable car area. Kasi doon kasama yung package ng ating trip here in Bursa. So guys, dito na kami sa may bandang cable car. Doon kami ng cable car and yung bus driver, diretso na siya sa taas. Doon na kami makikita. So, ayun guys, punta na kami doon. Kaya ingat-ingat lang kayo guys pag pumunta kayo dito sa mga snow. So, this is Bursa. Ay, kinakain niya yung snow. Okay. Ang lamig. Yung ano ko, yung kamay ko. So, also may picture site dito. Bursa. Then, ito na yung cable car. Ayun na, punta na kami sa bilihan. Si tour guide na ang bibili for us. So, kung gusto nyo din na hassle-free, pwede na kayo mag-book ng guide. Gaya namin. So, that way daw pala. So, ito na yung ticket namin. Binigyan ni Kuya. So, punta na kami guys sa may sakayan. Dito ulan na. Hindi na siya snow. So, yun na yung entrance area. Ito yung mga tinanggal nilang snow sa may daan. I hope sa loob medyo warm na. Ayun nga guys, may mga dala kasi lang baby dito. Yung mga bata, ganito yung situation.
Sorry. 난 골라야지.
Thank you.
İlkten sonra geliyor. İsmail bana gitti mi İsmail? Ben bunları sana evet.
Kailangan niya mauna. So guys, yun, nakasakay na kami. So yun guys, nasa loob kami ng pero parang mali ako ng upuan. Nakatalikod ako. So makita lang naman dito guys is yung area. Yan. Ganyan lang siya. So pag sumakay kayo dito, makikita mas maganda pag may araw. So guys, this is the last stop.
Welcome.
So ayun guys, yun na yun. So doon tayo galing sa itaas. Doon sa taas. So inantay lang namin yung aming bus. Kaso wala akong nakita sa cable car kasi nga malamig. Nagbo-moist and also madilim. No, it's okay, thank you. So guys, ito yung exit area. So dadaan pa rin tayo talaga sa bilihan ng mga gamit. Gusto nung bumili. Souvenir shops. Oh, kind of nice experience naman na. May next time pa naman for this snow line. Ulan-ulan pa.
Hello.
How are you?
Where from?
Philippines.
Philippines. You're right now. You come to this side.
So may mga tindahan dito ng mga silk carpet.
One picture or video, $5.
Thank you so much. $5. Excuse me. So tindahan na naman itong napuntahan natin guys. So mga pang mga hamam-hamam din. Bentahan.
But that's something very old.
Bolo. Ito yung nag-change ng color, di ba? Oh, see? Nag-iba yung kulay.
You know how to change?
Yan. Yeah, different for the line.
You can take only this. We sell only this. So you can put it on
A gold.
YouTube.
Small YouTuber.
Small YouTuber, you're very famous.
No, I'm not. Maybe you want to say hi.
Hi.
So we're just checking around. So guys, nung nakita natin sa Cappadocia, this one are the changing color na yung mga bato-bato nila. Maganda. Silk na yun. So yun guys, makita natin sa loob. Mga markets. So yun, tingin lang tayo guys kung ano meron sila dito. So I think this is the silk market. Ito lang yung makikita sa loob. So this is the silk market. So that is the antique silk market. We're going to their green mosque.
Yeah, no, other people are coming in another taxi.
Yeah, you told me. I haven't, I'm sure.
The mosque built with Celebi Sultan Ahmed in 1499-1420 is one of the most mosque with a plan of containing. Basahin na lang natin kung ano nakalagay. Kasi we're lost also. This is the tomb. So in English, Yasil Tomb. The tomb was built in Celebi of Sultan Ahmed. So I think so it's closed. Ito yung tomb. So pasok kami ng mosque. We'll try our best. Ito yung mosque. We'll try to go in. No entry with shoes. So ayan guys, kita na ako ng mosque. So ayan guys, expect sa manang pipray. Pagkakas sa ito is the entrance area. Someone is praying guys. Ito yung Quran nila. I don't know how to use this. So ako lang guys kasi there's the green mosque here in Bursa, Turkey. So yun guys, galingan tayo sa loob na green mosque here in Bursa. Yung mga kasama namin, mga Muslim, I think they will pray sa loob. Yan yung hugasan nila. So this is the Bursa green mosque. So yun nga guys, kung siguro pupunta kayo na ang ganito tour, meron yung mga baby, umuulan dito, tapos dala nila yung baby, umuulan, tapos sa snow, ganun din, parang bagong panganak. Meron din mga beggars, ayun si ate, humihingi ng pera, dala niya yung baby niya. Mga tindahan lang din dito sa side na mga ceramic, yung mga nakita rin natin sa Cappadocia. Ito na yung area. The antique green silk market area. So ayun guys, nasa barko na tayo. Nightmare water. So ganitong barko yung sinakyan natin. So Roro siya guys, just like sa Philippines. So 35 minutes daw ang biyahe. Bababa ulit kami mamaya. Ganyan siya. So yun, nasa loob na kami. Di ba guys, ang daming experience na try natin dito. Ay, may experience tayo sa Roro. This is our first time na mag-Roro. Mabibiyahe ng barko. So, ayun guys, hindi pa tayo aboard. Ibigay na. So guys, iba-iba yung mga try natin for today's video. So, moving na yung aming sinasabi guys. Yung Roro ship natin. Break muna tayo saglit. Coffee, water, and chocolate cake. Way out, way out. So ayun guys, time check, it's already Christmas time. So ayun guys, today is December 24 pa. It's 11:41. So ayun nga, gaya ng sinabi ko guys, we're having a dinner here in Istiklal Street, Istanbul. Here in Istanbul. So pakita ko sa iyo yung street. So ito yung kakainan namin. And then sa side, sa likod, dyan sa side, sa harap, yan yung Istiklal Street na. So try lang namin yung ganitong kainan here in Istiklal Street. Total Pasko naman, and medyo pricey, medyo exorbitant yung price, pero for this occasion naman, okay lang. Mapapalitan naman. So, nag-order na kami and still waiting for our order. So, makita natin kung masarap ba o hindi. For our tour for today, may comment. Okay naman yung tour, yun nga lang. Madaming pinupuntahang mga bilihan. So, I think part yun ng tour talaga. Part talaga siya ng tour. As makikita nyo kung nag-book kayo, stroke look, yun yung itinerary. And for me, my own opinion, mas nag-enjoy ako sa Cappadocia. even walang hot air balloon. So, may chance din siguro na mabalikan natin yung hot air balloon. And also, 4 days naman, snow talaga yung pinaka namin, snow experience. Kaso, napaka-limited time. It's like 1 hour and 30 minutes na hindi mo mawari na mabilis. Kasi nang bilis. I don't have pictures na masyado doon sa snow, but dahil siguro sa kaka-vlog video, doon na naubos. Yun, okay naman yung trip. Kung i-rate ko siya 1 to 5, siguro nasa 3.5. 3.5 siya. Kasi madami yung waiting time kaysa sa pag-stay doon sa area. Yun lang. Pero worth it naman na sa money sa payment. I think okay na siya. Okay na siya as a group tour. So para siyang isang hotel, isang shuttle kayong magtutour. And yung price is I think worth reasonable. Yan yung worth. Reasonable naman yung yung price. So kung gusto niyo ng much more time sa snow area, sa Uludag Mountain, siguro mag DIY or magstay kayo doon sa Bursa for at least 2 days or even kahit a day tour, pero yun lang yung direct nyong punta. I think meron naman may mga sakayan papuntang Bursa. It's just happen na ayaw lang din namin maligaw and it's the first time namin sa area. Tomorrow may tour ulit kami. For this trip, more on tour guided kami. Ma-check namin kung ano ang history ng ng Istanbul, ng Turkey, ng Cappadocia, ng Bursa, para marinig namin sa mga locals kung ano yung history and we can immerse ourselves. So next time DIY na kami kasi alam na namin yung history and everything. Sa Philippines, it's Christmas na. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat and sana don't forget to follow, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga updates, mga videos. And sana magustuhan ninyo. And share nyo na din para madami tayong ma-reach na mga cravers na gusto rin maka-experience ng mga tour natin. Later on, makapunta din kayo guys. So don't worry, trust the process. God is with us. And kami lang nabigyan ng opportunity na makapunta dito and everything. And thank God for everything na blessing na nabinigay sa amin. And kayo din guys, blessing kayo sa akin. And sana po masuportahan nyo po ako always sa aking mga video. So we have here kubus. Basta yung bread. It's like Arabic bread but iba yung tawag nila dito. Ito naman yung olive oil nila. Olive oil daw, pero sinasawsaw lang nila. Medyo mainit-init pa naman. So let's do a taste test for this. So ito yung kanilang bread. Actually, yung wala siyang lasa guys. Pero malambot siya compare sa Qatar. Nakakailamin sa Qatar. Yung mga bread nila dito na ganun. Soft siya, hindi siya matigas. Yung kasi dun sa Middle East, hindi na mainit, matigas na. Ito, perfect. Kaya siguro madami ding mga restaurant doon ng Turkey sa may Qatar. Pero sa Philippines, hopefully, alam ko meron din dyan. So, try nyo lang din doon sa Pilipinas. Pero kasi one day, pag kaya na natin guys, makapunta rin kayo dito. Siguro, na lang natin, yung Turkish visa. Yung Turkey visa nila. So, ito guys, dumating na yung food natin. And, ito na, pakita natin. Meron tayong steak here and spaghetti for long life. Char. Don't tell me uulan. Parang meron ako na-feel na dito. So, let's try the steak na. Or T-bone. T-bone ba to? So, tikman natin kung promising talaga yung sinasabi ni Kuya. Oh, perfect. Charot. Hindi siya malambot, guys. Matigas. Steak ka pa. Ako ba? May gusto ng steak. Lagi kasi kami nag-steak sa Qatar. Hindi naman lagi. We casually do steak sa... Kasi may buy one take one. Yeah. Sa voucher. Kaso ito, napakatigas naman. Baka mamaya yung braces nagtanggal na. Without sauce. Without gravy. 1 to 5. Nasa 3 lang. Tignan natin baka ma-justify ng may gravy. Kasi hindi. Mas may lasa na siya pag may So for me, it's 3.5. 3.5 tong
For me,
T-bone. Yung spaghetti nila, Let's try. Dry siya. Italian ba to? Hindi siya gaya ng Filipino spaghetti na matamis ha. Kaya sauce. At saucy. At yung aking singaw ay sumisingaw na naman ang sakit. Pasensya na guys. So ito, tikman ko na. It's a 3 for me. It's a 3 for me. So overall, para nakuha tayo sa ambience. Pasok na rin sa ambience. Pero whatever it is, it's a blessing to us. Thank you so much. Okay naman siya. Sanay lang siguro kami daw sa quality nung nakakain namin previously.
Hindi nila to specialty.
So,
Specialty nila is kebab.
Sa Turkey naman, hindi naman sila ganito dito. It's not a specialty na this kind of foods. Ang specialty nila dito, yung mga nakain natin mga naunang araw, mga kebab, mga ganun. Yeah, chismis pa kami. Chismis si kuya. Where?
Mufa. This girl.
Rufa! Okay.
Ilmaz Bektas, they will...
Yeah, Ilmaz.
But,
They already divorced you.
Yeah, I know.
Long time ago.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
pero wala baklava at saka ano.
Nufa daw. Nufa. Si Rufa.
Kala ko ang lupa. Lupa yung mag-cheesecake na pala.
Chinismis kami na ano daw. Ano ba yung si Ilmaz Bektas, di ba? Parang prince ba?
Ano na?
Ng Turkey, oo nga.
You're not sure.
Yes, I know. I remember na. Kasi Nufa, Rufa. Rufa palaga, yun. And Istiklal Street. Again. Ito na yung pwede nating puntahan, kainan guys. Guys, mahirap ang mahirap ang rice dito. So dito yung kinainan namin kanina. Si Kuya Lufa. Yan. Wala masyadong Pilipino napunta dito. Yun lang kanina, yung last time na pumunta kami sa may donor, may nakita kaming Pinoy na nag-work daw dito. 5 years na, sabi niya. So, yun lang. First and last na nakakita ng Pinoy. So, balik na kami sa hotel. Because tomorrow, ang sundo namin ay 8:20. So, that's for the vlog for today, guys. And maglakad na muna kami. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe dito sa aking channel and for more videos and get notified. Thank you for unending support. Yung always nandyan para manood na aking vlog. And sana dumami pang mga cravers na tumangkilik sa ating mga videos. So, that's for today. And, yala. See you tomorrow. And tomorrow is another day. Bye-bye.